Hello kids. Do you remember is, are? Let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. I am a teacher. 2. You are my friend. 3. He is very tall. 4. She is at home. 5. It is a big dog. 6. We are ready. 7. They are tired. 8. I am happy. 9. He is a doctor. 10. You are clever. Great job. You're amazing.